Hey, this is Latera, and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's hop right in. Would you like to learn how to fix your credit yourself? Did you know that you can delete every single item for your credit report in just 14 days? That's right, I said 14 days, which equates to 2 weeks. Why spend hundreds or thousands on someone to fix your credit when you could do the same thing for way less yourself? This guide will help you to get you to the perfect credit score you're looking for. Finally, an A to Z guide that will teach you how to raise your credit score. Bad credit sucks, and it can make your life miserable. When it comes to cleaning up your credit, this investment is well worth it. If you're looking to purchase a new home, good credit is the first thing you must present. The same goes for a new car, apartment, and many other things that we need in life. This guide is key if you want to raise your credit score at lightning speed. You will learn how to fix up your personal section of your credit report first, removing names, address, phone numbers, and dates of birth, social security numbers, and jobs that are not connected to you at your present time. How to locate and demolish mistakes against your credit. How to contact credit bureaus for the cleanup process. How to build credit with secured credit cards. Tips for increasing your credit score quality. And so much more. I encourage you to invest and clean up your credit and live a great life knowing you have amazing credit.